welcome to Believers IAS Academy. In this video, we'll target a very important climate change issue known as desertification. What is this desertification and why desertification is being a talk with all the climate change activities, and also and how this desertification could lead to a very arid condition and we would be left without any land for habitation. So that is why desertification is a matter of concern over the future decades, because our land is being degraded by years to years, and the human activities around the biological setup is going to be very much detrimental, and this degradation of the land leads to desertification, and the loss of habitat leads to loss of lives also. So it is not only a threat for the human community but also to the biodiversity itself. So to target such a bigger issue, desertification, we have come across a very innovative solution and a very tremendous and a fabulous solution for such desertification in a very named desert, that is Sahara Desert. So the region behind the Sahel and the Sahara Desert, as you can see in the picture, are planning for such great green wall. It just amplifies that planting up more trees. As we are telling up of afforestation in every sector, this is a new technique where the desertification and the desert land could also be increased. So, why this great green wall is in news? Because recently the President of France announced $14 billion to scale up the work for the Green Wall initiative. So the people of Sahel and the places regarding directing towards the Mauritania, Mali, Nigeria, Chad and Sudan. This becomes the Sahel region of Africa, which is taken to grow the trees in their periphery. So when this green wall is being grown in the areas of such land, the land becoming a desert, the land reaching the arid conditions would be decreased. So that is the main aim of planting the trees here. And during the pandemic, Sahelian countries struggled with the budgets and funding. The insufficiency of the funding has led to know about this great green wall. And the grants will also help to fast track efforts to restore degrading land, save biological diversity, as well as create green jobs and build resilience of Sahelian people. So mainly we are urging for the regional resilience. So using such words in your answers and giving an example of a resilient country and the measures to make a place resilient becomes a very innovative solution and a very different example to quote in your exams. So keeping that in mind, you can use the Great Green Wall in your any environment related means answers and make it a very fabulous answers. So and it is also told that double the increase of the population. Double the increase of the population is done until 2039 of the Sahel region. See, this is a major issue. The regional resilience should be addressed such that it is estimated that in the term of 2039, the double the population would be increased in this Sahel region and the Sahara Desert. Where would they go for the jobs if the land is full of desert and there are no habitation, no biodiversity immunity also? To avoid such arid and lost conditions, we are planning up for the Green Great Wall initiative, and any initiative requires a fuel, that is money, and recently France president has released some of the monies for it. But due to the lag in this program and due to the lag for the funding of the program, during the pandemic, Sahelian people have bolstered the problems of pandemic and have suffered a lot. To decrease that suffering, this kind of initiative should be taken up in a very fast pace. And what is this actually? The Great Green Wall? As you can see in this picture, the great strap which is bolstering the spaces becomes the Great Green Wall initiative. And such initiatives were seen in India also. And we can give the instances of India where the Apico movement, Chipko movement, the forestation planting, reducing the global warming, all planting of trees, planting of 1,000 samplings and Swachh Bharat, everything relates to such global promising also. So we will look at this. What is this Green Great Wall? It was launched in 2007 by African Union. So keep it in mind, African Union is an institution which launched a Great Green Wall to restore Africa's degraded landscapes and transform millions of lives in one of the world's poorest regions, that is Sahel. It is mainly working for the Sahel region, and the project aims to restore 100 million acres of degraded land by 2030. The capping is 2030. The target is also 2030. Now it is being implemented in more than 20 countries across Africa, and more than $8 billion have been mobilized and pledged for this support. The Great Green Wall is a symbol of hope in the face of one of the biggest challenges of our time, which is desertification. As I've told in the beginning of my video, we are targeting a very big climate issue, that is desertification. So to combat all such initiatives should be required. And what is the objective of this program is that it will support community living along the walls. Community living and the community development participation could be increased and grow economic opportunities for the world's youngest population. As you can see, the poorest of the poorest countries becomes very vulnerable when the population also starts increasing. To address or to target the unemployment in that poorest countries, this kind of opportunities or the walls would be a greater help. And grow food securities for the millions of the hunger every day. Food security issue, the social justice is secured, and grow climate resilience in the region where the temperatures are rising faster than anywhere else on the earth. Temperature rising is targeted, and the Great Green Wall goals is to contribute to the 15th of the 7 UN mandated sustainable development goals. Yeah, zero hunger, zero poverty, all the SDG goals are met by such initiatives, and it will also contribute to implementation of post-2020 global biodiversity framework. So keep it in mind, such initiatives help in implementing global biodiversity framework. So countries like Sahel and Sahara region affecting by the desertification could be a greater help by implementing the Great Green Walls. So this was a very exhaustive discussion about such initiative. Such initiatives should be funded in a very faster pace, and the problems of poverty and the multi-dimensional unemployment cyclic problems would be decreased, and the people regarding that poorest regions will also be improved with their livelihood. So such initiatives becomes a very tremendous help for the people, and this topic could be taken important by our UPSC syllabus GS3 economy or the global perspectives. The global perspectives affecting India's interest. So whenever you see such global perspectives, you can include them in the India for the further growth also. So this becomes our end, and for any such interesting current affairs videos, you can log on to our website www.believersis.com and subscribe to our channel, YouTube channel Believers IS Academy, and get a good insights of all the discussions, editorial discussions, and the mains answer writing. And you can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr for any quick updates. And and you can call upon our number 9611005946 for any inquiry relating to foundational courses, optional subjects, and we are open every day. And thank you. Welcome.